Hi, my name is Marina Agapios and I am a marketing major. I am an account manager for the UIndy Innovation Studio. Innovation Studio is a student-led marketing agency where you bring in actual clients and we do the work and then we give it back. What I want to do when I graduate is probably going to sports marketing and then do the digital marketing, so social media, website, all of that. My professor, Carissa Newton, she has been phenomenal. She's helped me so much as a student. I brought in our first client and she helped me through that entire project. Great, she has been such a great mentor to me. The Innovation Studio is very unique to UIndy. I have not seen that anywhere in other colleges. That makes my experience very special, but I don't think I've ever seen a student-run marketing agency within a university. Carissa, with her connection, she's been just a very inspirational person. I think UIndy provides all students the chance to succeed. Right now I'm getting prepared very well. Keep investing in us because we're actually doing real-world work and we're investing in our futures. The opportunity to have a mentor and grow as a person and as a professional. I don't think I would have ever gotten these opportunities if I didn't come to UIndy. I think I'm going to be very set as soon as I leave. You can support students like me and the Innovation Studio on uindy.day.